money movers. Welcome back to Millennial Money Moves with Nadia. Today we are going to be talking about the market and why it's so crazy and what you can do about that. I see a lot of you guys have been asking me about it in my comments, and I felt like now is more important than ever to address what the heck is going on with the market and why it is looking blood red. So before we get into that, please take a minute and like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell. Stay tuned.
So Nadia, what's up?
We making money moves.
Who making money moves?
We making money moves.
You making money moves?
We making money moves.
We making money moves.
We making money.
Welcome back, you guys. I wish this video was just me giving a hot stock pick and telling you how fire the market is right now and where you should be investing. My last one, I just did a review of my top 3 favorite YouTubers and gave out some stock picks, and these past 2 days I've really just been doing some deep, heavy research trying to understand what in the world is going on and why it's so bad right now. And I've kind of learned that there's a lot of different things that are making it look so bad, right? So this correction we saw kind of started to happen back in March, and it's sad. It's sad when the things you're invested in are in the red. I'm not gonna come on here and talk to you guys like and pretend that it doesn't affect me at all. Of course I get upset looking at numbers in the red, but there are a couple things I need you guys to remember why I'm remaining calm. It is bad. Tech is getting hit hard. EVs are getting hit hard, and that's what I talk about mostly on my channel, and that's what a lot of retail investors are invested in. So we are all going through this together. I don't just talk about stocks on here, guys. Like, when I'm talking about it, that's because I'm invested in it. So yeah, I know it looks bad, and it's for a lot of different reasons. Part of it is inflation, and with the pandemic, we knew with all the stimulus checks and what was happening, like, this was probably going to happen. A lot of these stocks were also overvalued. So when that correction happened, it's trying to balance it out. If you've seen my videos where I kind of explained what was happening with the correction, when I was saying buy on the dips and all of that, that's what was going on. We kind of saw that back in March, April. And now we're in May. I'm hoping this is kind of towards the end of it, because we're about at the 3-month mark now. It's May, almost mid-May. And it's because of inflation, and I kept seeing articles and posts of people would say it's because of the feds putting more money in, and I was like, feds, what do police officers have to do with that? And then I realized they're talking about the Federal Reserve. So the term sometimes, for those of you who are new investors, abbreviations and terms like that are thrown around all the time, but the Federal Reserve put more money in because they don't want the economy to fall. They don't want another do-over of the Great Depression. And while it's good at sustaining our economy and that sort of a thing, it comes with other issues. It comes with inflation, and food prices are increasing, gas prices are increasing, and people aren't getting paid more. Lots of people are quitting their minimum wage jobs. I mean, it's just a tough time financially for a lot of people. So what I'm saying today is I'm not buying any stocks right now at all. I have not bought anything new. However, I have been buying cryptocurrency, and right now I think that's your safest and best bet. Yeah, that's where I've been very bullish on Cardano. Again, that's ticker symbol ADA. I love Ethereum. I think when I first brought up Ethereum on my channel, it was around 3,000, and I saw it at almost 4,000. So Ethereum is great. I'm gonna keep buying in that one. Super bullish on Cardano, love it, and I think Ethereum 2.0 will be great too. I did some profit taking on Doge. I bought in a little bit more, not very much on the dip, because remember I sold out 70% of my Dogecoin. I bought the rumor, sold the news. I did it right before Elon Musk went live on SNL, and then I kept the additional 30%, bought a little bit more when I saw it on the dip, and now it's looking like it's rising again. Again, that one is super risky, but the Dogecoin profit taking did help out to balance out my portfolio because I was so tech heavy, and tech is just getting beat down. I mean, it's bad. I don't like looking at tech right now. So right now I'm just kind of letting it sit. I still follow investors like ARK Investments and Cathie Wood, and she's still very like into NNDM and I want to say PLTR too, and I talked about that one in my last video with my top 3 favorite YouTubers, but I'm not purchasing any more right now at this moment. I just kind of looked at my portfolio, looking at the market, studying it, trying to keep up with what's happening, trying to update you guys with what's happening, and there's a lot of different cryptocurrencies that I will be looking into because right now I think there's money to be made there, and I don't want you guys to miss out on money, and I want you to hopefully get a really good understanding of what is happening. I mean, the Federal Reserve pumped in, I have it in my notes here, $2.3 trillion into the US economy, and I feel like it's just the beginning. And those kinds of things really, really affect the stock market. And if you're a new investor, I'm sure this is especially scary. So many new of us opened up Robinhood accounts, started investing, started trading, all of that when the pandemic first started. And so now, this isn't the first time something like this has happened, but it's the first time a lot of us are experiencing it for ourselves. I do still have a lot of faith. I'm thinking, because a lot of these things I'm invested in are for the long term, we're talking like 5 years long term, I'm not too worried. That's the key that keeps me kind of calm, because otherwise I'd probably be freaking out. But because I have about 5 years, I'm like, Nadia, get it together, you're okay. You know that this isn't gonna last until 2025. If in 2025, 2026, we're seeing the same issue, lots of things have to be wrong with the world for that to be the case. So remain calm. There is still hope yet for those of you who are long-term investors. If you were just trying to flip this, do some swing trades on those kinds of companies, I'm sorry, I hate to say it, but it doesn't look like you're going to be making money, so I'd probably want to stay in those for the long term. And again, what I said about don't catch the falling knife. Don't just keep buying and trying to catch the low, That's why I'm saying now, I'm just waiting. I'm waiting to see what happens. I'm comfortable with the amount of shares I have, and I'm just waiting it out. And I am taking my money and putting it into cryptocurrencies. I would like to get more Cardano and more Ethereum. I'm very bullish on Cardano, especially. There are some other cryptocurrencies that I see you guys mentioning that I've said I'm going to look into, even more with Doge and stuff like that. I'm definitely going to keep posting videos about that because we're going to keep making money moves, whether it's in the stock market, in the crypto market, or just me teaching you new things about the market and how you can research, why everything's looking so bad. I love Yahoo Finance. I keep my alerts on. Wall Street Journal. Those are great sources that kind of tell you what's going on with the market in real time. So that's how I'm getting all my updates. And I'm just reading and researching, trying to help you guys out, help myself. We're all in this together. But please leave me comments in the description box below if you felt like this helped you or gave you some comfort or something. And again, I will be giving out more crypto picks as time goes on with money that I think can be made there and just things you need to know overall when you start investing. It kind of ties into like your mental health. So again, I'm a huge advocate for mental health. Some of you follow me on my personal Instagram page, and I love that. I love when you guys find me on social media. But if you do, you might see that I'm huge on mental health. And, our money, try not to tie all of your happiness into money. I know it can be stressful, so I like to try to work out, take a walk, enjoy some sunlight. In Chicago, it's still way too cold, but just some fresh air can really help calm me down in times like this that are stressful. So put on your favorite show, drink some wine, go for a walk, whatever it is that you like to do to keep you happy. And I'm just keeping my stocks on hold. Let me know what you guys are doing. I love talking to you guys. It makes me so happy. It's so much fun. I love when you guys say I've given you something that's helped you learn, or makes you feel more comfortable. That's really what I'm trying to do. That's the whole point of this channel. I want us to make some money, build generational wealth, and be informed. I can't tell you the amount of times that the stock market has come up in conversations with my friends. And hopefully if you watch my videos, if you ever are in conversations like that, you'll be able to show them a thing or two that you've learned. All right, again, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell. Because remember, we're making money moves. Have a good day. Bye.